About Consensus. Consensus is a venture production studio and the leading technology firm in blockchain globally. We deliver products, solutions and platforms built using blockchain technology to transform how business is done in complex network of buyers, suppliers and consumers. Our teams are busy at work building the future of identity, financial markets, commerce, security and infrastructure, and more. If you are someone that thrives in a fast-paced environment where being self-directed, determined, and resilient are a requirement, we would love for you to join us. Our enterprise team is responsible for solution development and delivery for corporate clients and has led some of the most innovative blockchain production implementations in the world. Here are some of the perks of being part of a unique organization like Consensus, the forefront of a revolution. At Consensus, we fundamentally believe that a next generation of technologies presents the opportunity to create a more just and equitable society. A dynamic startup environment. Consensus is a thought leader in the blockchain space and we are absorbing a significant portion of the mind share. This is both exciting and challenging, as we learn to scale our organization while adhering to the principles of decentralization. Continuous learning. You'll be constantly exposed to new languages, frameworks and ideas from your peers and as you work on different projects, challenging you to stay at the top of your game. Deep technical challenges. This entire ecosystem is less than 10 years old. Ethereum itself is still a toddler. There is much work to be done before these platforms can scale to the order of millions or billions of users. Consensus is building the technology platforms that can get us to those next thresholds of scale. Consensus was just named a top 100 fintech company by KPMG's 2016 Fintech Innovators Report. The opportunity. As a front-end developer, you will oversee development of a wide variety of consumer-facing projects. The ideal candidate is first and foremost passionate about user experience, but also excited to help set up a front-end tech stack that can be used across the wider ecosystem. Prior experience with startups and working with agile, cross-functional teams is a plus. In-depth knowledge about Ethereum is not required, but candidates should generally be interested in the technologies poised to transform the way we live and be open to learning deeply about blockchain topics. What you will be doing, using React as well as HTML, CSS, JavaScript to turn wireframes and visual designs into compelling production user experiences. Strong working knowledge developing cross-platform, browser compatibility, familiarity with web standards and best practices for fast load times and accessibility, general knowledge of SEO and marketing analytics, best practices, writing clean, standards compliant, scalable, reusable, quality code. What we need you to have expert knowledge of React, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript frameworks, ideally 5 years experience, great interpersonal skills and a willingness to go above and beyond when collaborating with designers, marketers and other engineers, comfortable prototyping ideas and iterating them based on user feedback, passion for writing tests to ensure delivering high-quality user experiences, strong visual and aesthetic sense. A portfolio of past projects is a plus.